remembers a time back in 2011 when the world was a simpler, easier, more fun place to be. In a small bakery in northern New Jersey, two friends got together every week, determined to teach the world how to bake.
Crumb Boss
and the producer.
And YouTube was never the same.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here!
It sunk like the Titanic in here.
Yay! Crumb Boss and the producer! Crumb Boss, everybody!
Whether it was making the #1 recipe on YouTube for buttercream, or icing fudge brownies, or teaching the world how to make eclairs, I was literally always working. Wait, that doesn't sound right.
Oh! Ratchet! It's like vomit! Like, people don't eat that! It totally stinks! So, here we are in 2020, and well, YouTube, it's time to get ready! Hold on to your crumb buns, because guess what's coming back? Yay! Better, bigger, and so much more exciting! So, Crumb Boss, this is episode part 2 of the making of the rainbow cake. We just showed everybody how to make the rainbow cake, how to do it, and now you're going to show how to decorate it Crumb Boss style.
Hey everybody, Crumb Boss here.
Hi, Crumb Boss.
That's right. We just made the batter, colored it all the different colors of the rainbow, showed you how to bake a rainbow cake so it comes out like this.
Bullseye.
Yeah. And now we're going to show you how to decorate one. See, here's another one.
Oh, cool.
Kind of cool, right?
Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to go this way.
For some reason, this reminds me of my aunt, like way back in the 70s.
Yeah.
Like everything was rainbows and like, right? I don't know why.
Way back in the 70s.
Way back in the 70s, like when I was real little, and my aunts were like,
You just kind of announced,
hey,
everybody, what day is Gretchen's birthday? Win a prize. May what?
All right.
When's your birthday, Crumb Boss?
May 7.
May 7. How old are you going to be?
24.
24. Okay, so let's go back to this. So now you just put in...
Yeah, I decided to
It's pretty.
to fill it with pink buttercream because we didn't get any pink in our rainbow cake, so... And you know what? Crumb Boss TV, do whatever you want because we don't care.
Exactly.
I was feeling pink today.
You were feeling pink today.
So you see how I filled it with the wonderful Crumb Boss buttercream, colored pink.
Yes.
And now I'm icing it with that same colored pink.
Now, a cake like this at your bakery is like, what, 150, 200?
It's like about 25 bucks.
25 bucks. That's not bad. For 25 bucks for a great cake like this?
It's not bad for the customer. It sucks for me. All right, yeah, everybody, look out for Crumb Boss Guide to Owning a Bakery. It's being published pretty soon. You get all the tips and tricks of what it's like to be in the bakery business from the Crumb Boss.
Want to grow up and own a bakery?
Yeah.
Well, the Crumb Boss is writing a wonderful book, and believe me, you're going to want to read this because it's very fun and exciting.
It
And
is.
It's all about, it's all about making wonderful food and beautiful presentation. But let me tell you something: if your stuff doesn't taste good, you are going to be out of business real fast.
That's right. So stick with Crumb Boss and my recipes, and you're good to go.
All right, so now show everybody what you're doing.
Rainbow cake gets rainbow sprinkles, right?
Yes. That's pretty. And that's you're holding. This is a giant tray of rainbow sprinkles.
It helps to have a big tray so that you could do it this way. Otherwise, you got sprinkles all over your counter. It's just hard to do it if you have a little space to work with.
Yes.
All right. So there we have that. And I decided I wanted to do a little rainbow butterfly, which I printed out on my edible sugar paper scanner.
I like butterflies.
Yeah, and look at how cool this one was. It was rainbow.
That's cool.
So, goes right on top.
All right. That's pretty.
And then I filled my pastry bags with all my colors.
Okay.
Let's see. I'm going to use this. So much easier if you have a turntable to decorate your cakes.
Yeah, because you could just turn it.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you got the green.
You know, I'm just winging it. Do whatever you guys want to. I just want to try and incorporate all the colors of the rainbow, not only on the inside of the cake, but on the outside too.
Everybody.
Yes, I do. Steph knows all about it.
Yep, I get letters and emails every day. Somebody else ordered.
Yep, going to the post office again. Like.
Oh, this is cool. I like this. This is beautiful. Look at that. Very cool. That looks awesome.
Unique Crumb Boss design right here, everybody.
Look at that. That is awesome.
A little bit of pink to finish it off.
That's cool. Yeah, this cake just went up from $25 to $75. That's awesome. That is really cool.
And,
so let's we'll put that down. Okay. And there we have the rainbow cake.
Should we cut into it?
Yeah, let's cut into it and see what happens.
All right.
Let's see what happens.
Let's cut into it and see that not only do you have rainbow going on the outside.
Yes. But you have the rainbow on the inside. This is the big thing, the big finale. Let's see.
Whoops.
How to cut a cake by the Crumb Boss.
Whoa.
So, how to
mess up a cake by the Crumb Boss.
How to mess up a cake by the Crumb Boss. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, that's beautiful. Oh, Gretchen, look how pretty.
It's falling over.
It's fine. Let it fall over because then I can see the side. Look at that. So there we have the rainbow cake made by the Crumb Boss. There is the inside of the cake with the vanilla pink buttercream, right?
Yeah.
And all the different... Okay.
Yeah, it does look kind of cool.
Okay, so Crumb Boss, do you like your rainbow cake?
Yeah, I do.
You're like, yeah, it looks kind of cool. It
Yeah,
looks beautiful. Do you know what it takes for me to do this? This is like a whole year.
Yeah.
Look at it. So we got the butterfly rainbow cake made by the Crumb Boss. Okay, there you go. Wait, one more thing. Don't forget to check us out on our other channels at Funhouse TV and Gretchen's Vegan Bakery.